To share with you a journal that I've made. This journal is a fall autumn themed journal, and I used a digital kit from ARTYmaze, and I will link that below if you want to go and check it out. So I've made hardcover, and the front cover has got pages from the kit, and this was on a tag and I cut the tag up. It wasn't from the kit. There is some other digital bits I have in here, but I can't remember where I got them from. So anyway, this was from a tag, and it actually said Happy Fall Yo, but I just put the Happy Fall on there. And we have this lovely lace trim. We have the rosette trim here on the spine. There is 3 signatures. I cannot remember how many pages. It's probably about 180 front and back. We've got some fabric tabs. We have some crocheted trim. So let's go inside without making a knot. Ta-da! I've done it. So as you can see, it's a nice chunky one. I've done a lot of inking up on this as well to try and get the tea and coffee dyed papers to kind of look autumny themed. So I've left that plain there because it was getting too bulky. I don't want to bulk it out anymore. So that's a pocket, well, the envelope and then the pocket. And inside there we have, this isn't from the kit from ARTYmaze, but it was with 2 other tickets that kind of went well with the theme of this. These little images I got off of Etsy, and I inked up the tags, and I used vintage photo and spiced marmalade to get that look. And this little tag here, and pages are from the kit. So I've just used the journaling cards from the kit. They've been coffee stained on the back. And in here we have these. I used distress inks and water and the shimmer on there, done some stenciling, some stamping, to get like a nice, I don't know if you can actually see the shimmer on there, but there is a nice shimmer. And we have another one of those little tags, and a mason jar double journaling card. And this is a, so I should have done that, this is a Terry Woods flip out page with decorated with some flowers that I die cut using I think it was I'm not sure if it was this page I printed out again, and I made the flowers from that. So that all goes in there, and there's some cheesecloth and some binding there. We have a tag here and a dictionary page, some music paper. The stenciling is done using the spiced marmalade. There is lots of places to journal. This was actually the page that I printed out to make the flowers. Here we have a pocket from the kit. I've done some leaf stamping. There is some Edith Holden book pages that I've just trimmed down on the little sections there, and it's all from the month of October. We have some more tags, a postcard from the kit, and a journaling card from the kit. We have a tag and a doily in a paper bag, the fabric tab. This was from another digital item that I had. It was actually to make pockets, but I didn't make the pockets. I just used these for the large journaling cards. And here is one of the images from the kit, and I just made a booklet with that, so you can do some more journaling. A tag, some Greek music, not music paper, dictionary paper, some Edith Holden, some more of the Edith Holden. This was from the kit as well. It's just been backed onto some white cardstock. This, I can't remember where I got this from, but it was notebook digital paper, so I just shrunk it down to 2 to a page and added that, so you can do some additional journaling on that too. A paper bag. It's a little bit stuck there. Another pocket with the stamping, and we have a large tag from the kit. Another little Edith Holden, and another tag. Another image from the kit, and I just made a pocket there, and I've just got some fabric, some cheesecloth, a little bit of paper from one of the pages, and some bling there. And we have a tag and an envelope. There isn't anything in the envelope. Excuse me. So that's the first signature. Second signature, we have an envelope there, and another handmade flower. Some more of that leaf stamping, another envelope, and we have another one of these little tags, handmade tag, and a journaling card. Tag, some dictionary, phrase book page, some music paper. Another pocket here with some more Edith Holden, a postcard from the kit, journaling card from the kit, and a tag. Sorry, I just really have to put these back because I forget to do it and then I don't know where it all goes. Another one of these large journaling cards. Another little booklet that I made from one of the elements from the kit. Edith Holden, lots of journaling space. Another one of those notebook pages just folded in half and paper clipped on. Another pocket, a tag, handmade tag, tag from the kit, and an Edith Holden, and again that was from the month of October in the book. We've got a pocket here with a handmade flower and a tag in there. Another large pocket with a ticket, a journaling card, and a tag. Another pocket, tag, double mason jar, and a little tag. Another journaling card, another piece of that writing paper. Another journaling card, just paper clipped on. Paper bag doily tag, another pocket with tags, journaling cards, and some more Edith Holden. That's talking about the last of the summer. Here I've just done another Terry Woods flip out page, like so. Inked that up, some more stamping, another tag here, little tag, and a journaling card from the kit, and that's just held closed with the paper clip. Here we've got another envelope, and we have 3 tags and another one of these tickets. I believe these tickets are actually freebies on Junk Journal Junkies. I think that's where I got that from. And that is the back. So that is the journal. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.